Hey you guys, welcome to my channel Beauty by Megan. So today I am going to do my BoxyCharm unboxing, which I am loving this month. This month is Adore Me. I'm assuming for Valentine or Adore or something like that. I didn't get the little card in mine, so I don't know the prices of anything or nothing. But it was a super great box, super big box this month because of the palette inside. So if you like these videos, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, you know the drill. Let's get into this video. So I've already used this. I've used this for many years. This is the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. They help exfoliate, tone, and brighten. And this is the 28 pad, so it's like the mini size one. Like, I have really large pores and they help a lot. My kid's giving my husband hell right now. I shouldn't laugh. Alright, so I already have my brows on and I use the Benefit Precisely My Brow. Just because, no brow products, but because that's the only thing I have on my face that brings me to the Pure 4-in-1 Correcting Primer. Never used this, and I'm supposed to energize and rescue with aloe, coconut water, and probiotics. And it's silicone free. I don't know how much you're supposed to use of this. It smells amazing. Wow. It smells really good. But anything coconut, for some reason, makes my skin break out. So I'm really hoping this doesn't, because it looks like it might actually feel very nice on the skin. I just realized I didn't set foundation out. I am excited about this product that we got. It was, I think the other option was sponges, and I'm actually glad I got the Alamar Complexion brushes. Come with a super cool highlighting brush, bronzer. I'm assuming this is a foundation brush. That's what I'm going to use it for today. And I'm going to go in with the Infallible 24-hour Fresh Wear. This thing's super love, just because I promised my son the playground later, and I want a little SPF on my skin. Okay, it is blending out that foundation actually better than my IT Cosmetics brush. I won't tell my husband that, except brush costs a lot. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, I feel like this really put the foundation on quick. Oops. I'm gonna go in with the Ciate concealer real quick so I can... Do I want to use this or do I want to... You know, we're just gonna use this to prime my eyes. My stomach is growling. So bad. So bad. I'm hungry. I've not had nothing to eat yet. I know, bad. You're supposed to eat breakfast, blah blah blah. I didn't today. And that's okay. I'm just gonna eat. Would I use this for my concealer though? No, I'm just kind of spreading my concealer out just a little bit. I'm going with my sponge. Alright. That brings us to our next. This is the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. Okay, it's a super light powder. I'm not even mad at that. That's pretty good. This is like the first time in days I've actually put makeup on. Like, truly put makeup on. Alright, I feel like it did really good setting my makeup. Alright, so I'm just going to quickly do the rest of my face, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, that's the final look. Hopefully my mic has been on the whole time because one part wasn't, so I might have to voice over in this video. It's on now though. But that's the look that I did with February 2020's Boxycharm. Love the palette, blends super well. Like that's beautiful. Brushes, flawless. Everything was just good. So if you like these videos, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.